I'm trying citric acid for the first time to see if it can clean my paintbrushes. I put 2 tablespoonfuls in, and I will mix it with boiling hot water. I will then leave it there for something like half an hour approximately and see if it can break it down. Now it's water-based paint, so it should be able to clean it off quite easily. As you can see, it has, after about 20 minutes, half an hour, it has now cleaned it off. If you can subscribe, that'd be fantastic. Now you've got to sort of work out whether it's worth spending all this time or whether it's simply just to buy a new one. It's taken me about, in total, 5 or 10 minutes to do this. So thank you for watching, and if this has been helpful, please share, like and subscribe.